Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Yamaha R3. First, let's get acquainted with the basic controls. You'll find the ignition key slot, the engine kill switch, and the starter button on the right handlebar. On the left, you have the clutch lever, and on the right, the front brake lever. Your left foot operates the gear shifter, while your right foot controls the rear brake pedal. Getting comfortable with these is your first step to riding confidently. Now that you know the controls, let's get the engine running and move into first gear. Turn your ignition key to the on position and confirm the kill switch is set to run. With the clutch lever fully pulled in, press the starter button. Once the engine is purring, press down on the gear shifter to engage first gear. Then, slowly release the clutch while smoothly twisting the throttle to begin moving forward. Practice this gentle balance. Mastering gear changes and braking is crucial for a smooth ride. To upshift, pull in the clutch, lift the gear shifter with your left foot, and then release the clutch. For downshifting, it's the opposite. Pull the clutch, press down on the shifter, and release. When braking, always use both the front and rear brakes together for maximum stopping power and stability. Aim for smooth, coordinated movements to maintain control. Finally, let's talk about cornering and essential safety. When approaching a turn, look through the curve to your exit point. Lean the motorcycle into the turn, and for sharper bends, gently push the handlebar in the direction you want to go. This is called counter-steering. Always maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles, at least 2 to 3 seconds. And remember, always wear your full safety gear, including a DOT-approved helmet, a protective jacket, gloves, and sturdy boots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.